you ever thought or wondered why our life is like this? Basic reason of life being like this depends on major two aspects. Actually on three aspects. First is the thought, second is the words, third is the action. But are we conscious of the thoughts that keeps coming in our mind? Are we aware of the words that we use? You would find when you read all the books, big thinkers have mentioned that it's the thought that carves a destiny. But how? We wonder. We do not know how. I would like to share about a researcher, Japanese researcher called Dr. Emoto, who has been doing a research on water, thoughts and words on life. And I have been personally doing a research, a study and experiments on water, thoughts and words for 2 years. But I want you not to believe me, because I want you to understand, do this experiment by yourself and get a conviction that how a thought and words can change, can ruin or create your life. I want you to cook rice, little quantity, and use 3 jars. It could be either a closed lid jar or a glass, and if you don't have a closed lid, you can use the aluminium foil to wrap it up and close it with a sellotape. Now on one of the jars you will not write anything. The other jar you will write love and gratitude. On the third jar you will write hatred. And what you need to do is fill this rice in this. A little quantity will do. And then every day, just once, you need to go and stand in front of this glass and say, I hate you. And the other glass which is written love and gratitude, you need to look at this glass and say, I love you and I offer my gratitude to you. On the third jar, you should not do anything. Completely ignore it. Many relations in our life, kids at home, many other relations, colleagues, we ignore people. We do not understand the impact and the consequence of neglecting or ignoring somebody in life. We will see the results after 30 days. Hi, after 30 days, I want you to have a look at the one where you have written love and gratitude. Please have a look at this. Can you see it is intact and the way it was kept even after 30 days. Now when you look at the one where you have written hatred, can you have a look at it? It has become rotten and it is, trust me, it is stinking. I cannot withstand it. Now when you look at the other one where you have written nothing, that also was rotten. Can you understand the meaning that when you neglect and ignore people, this is what happens to a relationship. Now this is an experiment which I want you to do it by yourself. It's a 30 days experiment, and how to do, what are the procedures to follow, you can visit or you can contact me through email on my email santoshnair30@gmail, santoshnair30@gmail.com, and you can visit my blog www.yourfriendlycoach.com. Thank you very much, and I wish you a wonderful future, and I want you to understand that you are the creator of your destiny. So you create it in a right manner. Wish you all the best. God bless.